A character standing alone in a corner tells us one thing. That same character, pacing, slowly closing the gap between them and someone else, that's a whole different story. And that's something referred to as blocking. Blocking, which is the positioning and movement of people within the frame, gives your visuals momentum, purpose, and emotional weight. In this video, we'll look at how blocking can create power dynamics, draw attention, and reveal relationships, all while keeping your audience visually engaged in the story. Welcome back to That Media Prof. Now, blocking is the choreography of actors or subjects in the frame. It's where they stand, where they move, and how they interact with each other and the space around them. In fictional work, blocking can symbolize conflict, connection, or hierarchy. In factual work, like interviews or documentaries, it influences the frame's energy and keeps things visually dynamic. Here are a few common blocking strategies and what they can convey. Static blocking is where the subject stays still. You would use this for controlled, serious, or reflective moments. Interactive blocking is characters moving as they speak. This can build naturalism, pace, and visual flow. Blocking in depth means characters are placed at different distances from the camera. This adds visual layers, power imbalances, or perhaps focus contrast. And crossing the frame is when a subject moves across the frame and it creates energy, tension, or transformation. You can also block for reveal, which means that characters move to reveal a hidden element or a dramatic detail. It's often used in fictional projects like dramas or thrillers. Subject or character movement within the frame tells a story, even when no one is speaking. And here's how to make your blocking purposeful. Plan it with the frame in mind. Every move should enhance the shot's composition. Rehearse with your actors or your subjects so their movements feel fluid and natural. And watch how motion affects focus, balance, and lighting. One change can shift the entire image. You can use blocking to highlight story beats. Like for instance, when someone maybe takes a step forward, are they asserting dominance? Or when someone turns away, are they withdrawing emotionally? Or are the characters close together or far apart? That says something too. So blocking is storytelling through character movement. Whether you're working with actors, real people, or even just objects, positioning and movement can shape how your viewer feels, what they focus on, and what they understand. Great blocking makes your frame come alive. In next week's video, which I'll link here if it's already live, we'll dive into focus and how you can guide your viewer's attention by controlling depth of field, clarity, and timing. I'll see you there.